Welcome to the Total Acre Podcast. I'm your host, C.R. Scebold. This podcast is all about helping growers unlock their potential. We aim to bring listeners agronomic insights, valuable educational interviews, real-world strategies that optimize yield and maximize ROI. This show is going to explore innovative practices, creative strategies, and breakthrough products with people that are shaping the industry, all through engaging and inspiring stories. Who better to learn from than the legendary world champion David Hula, Randy Dowdy, and Alex Harrell? Because in farming and in life, iron always sharpens iron. And the best way to grow or get better is to continually be learning, networking with peers, have access to industry leaders, and the tools, tips, and tricks, and overall quality of information. Knowledge is power. Tune in, hit play. Let's unlock your farm's potential together.
Hey y'all, Chad Scebold here with Total Acre Podcast, doing things a little bit different. Sometimes we go behind the scenes, right? We're on camera. Usually we're on webinars, but this is a way better setup. Mason with Agri Spray Drones, one of the longtime Total Acre vendor partner. We're excited to have you out here. You're dressed like I wish I were dressed.
Yeah.
Ready to do some work today?
Yeah, always like to work. This is my natural outfit I always like to wear when I go out spraying, so that's why I'm wearing out today, and I'm excited to show the brand new drone to everyone, so yeah.
I'm telling you what, Mason's popping. Listen, this is going to be cool. The new drone, I'm not going to get into the tech side of it. I know we're going to do some more of that later, but Agri Spray Drones and Total Acre, I don't know, it's probably been 4.5, 5 years now that we've worked together.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see, and we're going to see some of the, I'm going to call this old technology, right? But
yeah.
What we're doing today here at the Redox Expert Farm, so it's out here in Southwest Iowa. A lot of the drone work that's going to be done this year will be with some of your drones, maybe not Agri Spray dealers, but I'm not sure exactly who's going to be doing all the spray. I know Redox has a lot of that lined up. I'd say 80% of the post-spray is going to be done with drone work, which I think will be cool. We've got some traditional sprayer equipment over here as well. I know they just wide drop some stuff, but we're going to get a chance to see some of that, Mason. So when you start talking about Agri Spray drones, I know you just switched over. What's the new drone? What's it called?
EA Vision G100 is our brand new drone, which is that drone right there. It is phenomenal. Call us if you guys have more in-depth questions you guys want answered. We can definitely help you out.
I'll tell you what, that is unique. These guys are always a phone call away, but you know, it's like every piece of equipment. It's only as good as the support network.
Yep,
and I know you're kind of the key account manager. You work kind of in the Midwest, right? Is it Midwest or nationally?
Yeah, Midwest, yeah.
So I'm going to feel that. We were about a 7 mile an hour, nice little southern breeze.
Yep.
It's not always that rate.
No.
With these new drones, can you get out when it's, obviously we're not going to spray when it's super windy, but what are you seeing for like max winds?
I mean, max wind, we care all about the coverage. So like max wind, 10 to 12 miles an hour. I mean, I definitely feel comfortable around that. You know, people definitely push it. I just would not recommend that. But yeah, I definitely like to stay around that 10 to 12 mile an hours.
Sure, makes sense. And listen, we're going to fire things up here in a little bit, but obviously we got people in a safe distance. We're going to showcase some of this old technology too, but this new technology, you're talking about things when they do break, if they do break.
Yep.
How are folks getting access to parts and service, and you know, what does that look like? Yeah,
so we have dealers all around the country. For example, we have Coy Miller here. He represents us down in this area, so he's a huge part down in this area. But we also have a map on our webpage that will show you all of our dealers that we have working for us. And
so dealer network is
dealer network is key to us.
Yeah, makes sense. All right, give me the one thing today. Obviously, we're going to be back a little ways being able to view this, but we're going to spray some stuff, and that wash is pretty cool, how it washes through that canopy. Anything else other than that? I mean, what folks are going to see is that application coverage, right? I think is that to me is one of the false things that I thought. I was like, well, great, but you know, I'm playing or a chopper is going to be better. You know, what's the one thing? And again, we're gonna have a huge podcast series on drone work and kind of some of the things we're doing. What's the one thing you really like about drone work these days and how it's kind of evolved and with innovation?
Technology aspect is like the biggest thing that has been growing. You know, if you look at a drone from like 4 years ago till today, huge advancements. Like this drone actually has Lidar technology, so it will actually terrain follow a lot better than your normal old-fashioned drones. So that is what I'm very excited about. And obviously how you said the prop wash is tremendously better. So.
Yeah. And what are you, 12 foot off the ground ish?
Yeah, 12 foot. Some people will go a little bit higher, depends on what you're doing. But yeah.
So the reason we put the older technology in the background, not that there's anything wrong with this, but if I'm going to make a pass with this drone, the EA G100, look at that, I got it. Good thing it's in bold.
Yep.
With that machine to get a 120-foot swath, how many passes you making?
So, I mean, typical on fungicide, you're looking at 28 to 32 foot swath. Around here, you can easily get away with 32, so about 4 passes. But, you're also cruising at, 25 miles an hour.
Yeah, that's what I was going to try to get into. So, obviously, he's got to be from Iowa. Really good math right there. From 32 times 4, 120, right?
Yeah.
For these booms. That's pretty good, man. I'm not going to lie. But then that wash, too, is like that coverage. And we'll see that on that video where it pops. Yeah.
Yep.
So, and obviously we've been wet, right? So getting stuff out when it's wet is another big deal. I'd kind of highlight, but I'm looking forward to working with you guys this year on some of these. I'm going to call them real life, innovative things that we can kind of showcase and access information to producers. So Mason, thanks for being here today.
Yeah, I appreciate it,
buddy.
Thank you.
And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in today to this episode of the Total Acre Podcast. Hey, if you enjoyed it, you liked the conversation, be sure to subscribe. You know the drill. Spotify, Apple, YouTube. Go give us a click, give us a like. Until next time, though, keep pushing forward. We hope that you found something unique, something powerful here that might help you unlock your farm's potential. We look forward to seeing you next week. Be safe. Talk more here soon on the next Total Acre Podcast.